white blob, I guess you could say. You don't see all that mucosa stuff. So if I would trace the liquid coming in here from the esophagus and going along here, what's this thing called? This is the greater curvature.
Lesser curvature?
No, this would be lesser curvature. What's the thing on the internal surface that allows fluid to go directly from the esophagus?
Directly from the esophagus. What?
To the gastric canal. So this is the gastric canal, runs along here. What's this?
Duodenum.
What part of the duodenum? No? Yeah, this is the C loop of the duodenum.
So the gastric canal connects the esophagus to the stomach? Okay.
So what's sitting in here that you can't see? What makes it look like a C? The head of the pancreas is sitting right in here. So the duodenum comes around, this is the C loop, this is the ascending colon. Then we start what? Jejunum. Okay, so this is the angle of tracts here, and then we start the jejunum here.
Question real quick.
Mhm.
So you said the colors are inverse only on the TV monitors, right?
Correct.
So on this, the barium is white, the air is black like normal?
Right.
Okay.
On a regular image, that's what it would be, yes. So we see air in the fundus here, so what would you say that was? So it's
upright.
supine or PA? Or prone? This one's prone, okay? So, and it's not erect, because the air would be in the fundus if they were standing erect. Why do I know that's not erect? I just know that it's a prone image.
I don't know, it seems like they're upright. It's the air.
I know it's not upright. I do know it's prone because I see air in the fundus. Why do I know it's not upright?
There's no line of air?
Yeah, there's no line. If they were standing up, you would see that distinct line, okay? So I know that this was a prone image.
Like gravity would make it all
Yeah.
settle in one flat line.
Right. You see air fluid levels. All right, so over here, just look at the spine. If in doubt, look at the spine. Stand in your way a little bit. So what's that one? Good, it's a lateral, okay? They do right laterals and GIs. Okay, so they say that the right lateral is good for demonstrating the right retrogastric space, the space behind the stomach. I don't know. Anyway, that's what they say for the right laterals. Okay. So this is the bulb here. This is the pyloric region here. You see the angle of tracts, the incisor angularis is here. Okay. These shots, they can't do these, and I don't think they can. I don't know, you guys have to tell me. Some of the fluoro systems, they can do like 4-on-1. You guys still do that? Okay. So this was a while ago. This was taken, and you could do 4-on-1. So these are 4 separate images on one. The bulb shots, we either do them LPO or RAO. That's how we do bulb shots. It just makes them, it spreads out the bulb. What do you think is what? So if I was RAO with the, just picture yourself, and I have to do it myself. If I was RAO, would there be air or barium in the duodenum bulb?
Barium.
Air, okay, because the bulb is over here, so the bulb would be up, okay? So these are RAO. Actually, no, sorry, you're right.
I was about to say, if the bulb's over here.
You know, the bulb's on the right, not the left.
Okay.
Right, so these two are RAO, and these two are LPO with the air in it. So it would be up, okay?
So LPO is air.
Correct.
RAO is air.
Correct. With the bulb. Okay. fundus. So would I be prone or supine, first of all? So it's a supine kind of image. Do you see Scotty dogs? Okay, so which one is it?
Yeah, LPO.
So we know they're supine, so it would be an AO, right? If they're supine, it would be an AO.
Yeah,
What AO?
true.
But the sky doesn't facing the other towards the sun.
But remember, it's the opposite. So what's the opposite? RAO. So this is the same as that one, that first one. So this is an RAO. Okay. There's barium. So we know that they were supine somehow or another. But remember, it's the mirror image of an LPO, an RAO. So that's what that is. Only because we hang it that way. You view it like you're looking at the patient. This one is an image taken from the image intensifier or the fluoro unit. So that's why the densities are reversed. So what's going on with this one?
They have that sac coming off their esophagus.
What is that sac called?
I forget.
This is a huge Zinker's tick. So this is a diverticula, which is an outpouching in the esophagus. It's a big one. That would probably need surgery.
This is like an actual, like, there's like a bubble.
Outward bubble.
Yesterday, someone had one, and they drank some beer, and they got stuck in there. So I was wondering how they gonna get that out.
They don't, that's why a lot of times if they have a study and they have diverticula of some kind or another, you see little like white specks, because it stays in there for a while. Yeah.
Can you like surgically remove them? Or it's just the pros outweigh the cons?
ticks,
If it's
this
real
one
big
they
like
would
that.
have to surgically remove, that would be a problem, but most of the time they just leave them there.
Like they don't rupture or anything?
If they do, they get diverticulitis.
Do they go back down?
Sometimes I have a friend that has diverticulitis all the time. He can't eat seeds, like tomatoes or anything like that, because it could stop. What do you think this is? It's pathology.
Is that the one where the esophagus is the one?
Is that that?
No,
one?
I don't have one of those.
Oh,
I wish I
okay.
did.
Is that the
It's
black
just
one
weight.
you're talking about?
Nope. Rupture. Nope. This is a hiatal hernia. So this is where the fundus of the stomach just pushed up underneath the esophageal hiatus. So it's up underneath or up above the hole. See how the whole fundus is gone? That's a big one. Okay, anybody know what this is?
They're trying to see the contrast go through the sickle line.
They're using those paddles. You've seen them use it.
Yeah.
So what's this issue?
It's constricted. It's like
Oh,
inflamed.
the string one.
Crohn's disease. This patient had Crohn's disease. In the terminal ileum going up to the cecum. 18-year-old. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys a small file and then you're done.
I can't see that. It's just a black block. Yes, I do.
So when I'm not wearing my glasses, I have my phone like right here. You can see it.
Are you gonna do LASIK?
It might not work on me.
Yeah, I was gonna say like, oh, no, or maybe.
And I've got money.
My friend did it and she said it was the best thing because she woke up saying perfectly without glasses, and it's so weird. But then like 2 years later, she had glasses again.
But to be honest, if I could just like have the TV.
Gotta go.
She was all
This was per month that we're in clinic.
For like 2 months. For like 2 months.
Okay, so that makes you.
100%.
Because you're willing with blood pressure, everyone fucking
No.
like you.
Because I have
At the end of August.
No,
It's like on the
it's
school.
not clinical till September.
I ran time.
Oh, you're right, it's September 13th.
I was like, yeah, you're kind of slow. It's kind of cool, like, I guess I got
And I want to go on to February because I've been in the OR and like so many cases where they're freaking had shit like maybe 2 seconds and I'm like, watching the surgery.
She shook her head no.
I didn't realize how much it goes for me.
Just means you're old.
Alright, y'all. Alright, small bowel study. Who's done a small bowel study?
I did 2 yesterday.
Wow.
The first one was like very warm because she kept throwing it up. And then we have to check her every hour to see if she still had barium in her. It stayed in her stomach.
Yeah, you're always happy for the ones that go really fast. You see a young person coming in, they're like, ooh, this won't take long. Yeah, it seems like the older ones that are bedridden take forever. Sometimes they just take them back up to their room and you have to go back up there and shoot portables.
It was weird because when we put the contrast in, it was in her stomach and then it started to move and then it just sucked right back into her stomach. And I was like, that's so freaking.
What was her problem? Why'd she come in?
She was an inpatient, she had a
Yeah, we did it with the NG2 and we saw it moving. And then when we put her on her back, it was almost like it went back in, but when we put her on her right side, that's when it started to just go down a little bit. But then it was just taking forever because she kept going. And then the second one, it made her use the bathroom, but hers kept moving along great. So that one
Did the bear, was it bear, this is gross, was it barium coming out or?
I think so. They said that they couldn't eat before they had the study done.
Yeah, it's usually NPO after, the evening meal for small bowel studies. Yeah.
Is that same with kids too?
It varies, sometimes they say after midnight, so it all depends. If they have a GI with it, then it's usually after the evening meal, they can't eat anything. Did they do a GI first and then a small bowel to follow?
They just went and did a small bowel.
Oh, okay. Then it's usually, it all depends on your facility. What did they say? She said she hadn't eaten since when?
The day before, I think so. And then the other one she hadn't eaten for 4 days.
Holy smokes.
Cause she also had an NG too also, but
Yeah.
yeah, she had an EN and February.
That was odd.
Would've thrown up two of us the first thing.
Yeah, I know. All right, so usually what they do, not always, but usually what they do is, they'll take an image every 15 minutes for the first hour. And then after that, the second hour, it's every half hour, and then after that, it's just on the hour. They'll take an image. Until what? Until it reaches the, large intestine, until it reaches the cecum. Okay, so this first one, it says 0 minutes. I don't know how you guys mark them. Some places mark them 15 minutes. It depends if they have a GI first, so which sometimes they do. But you can see a lot of the barium is still in the stomach, so it's just now moving through. We can see duodenum here. This is jejunum because it's still feathery looking, right? So it hasn't even gotten to the ileum. Well, it might be just a little bit here, because usually the ileum's more on the right. So this is, they marked it the 15-minute image, so I can kind of see it going, it's getting into the cecum now, but a lot of times they want it to fill a little bit better. So, stomach, duodenum, which is pretty much, you can't see it anymore. So this is jejunum, this feathery. So this is starting to get ileum here, and we can see the terminal ileum, that's the last part here, going into the cecum. So I guess they wanted to wait another 15 minutes. This was an easy one. Ooh, all done. Okay, so they come over here, and this already in the cecum here. So basically the study's done. Some places they do what they call spot the TI, spot the terminal ileum, and that they use that little paddle looking thing. Yeah, they blow it up and it's got a little metal thing in the middle. I've got one somewhere, I'll have to pull it out. So this is the little metal thing, and they just push down, it just kind of opens up the terminal ileum, ileocecal valve, which is here. You can see cecum because it's got that pouchy look, the rostral pouchy look. So this is cecum here. This one right here, this is an intercolisis. Anybody seen an intercolisis? That's where they have a tube that goes down and they just inject the barium into the tubing instead of, it's for people that can't drink it for some reason or another. So you can see the tubing going in. Usually they try and get the tube to the end of the duodenum if they can. Just mouth. Usually mouth. I don't see them do it through the nose, but how do they do it? No, it's through the nose.
I saw them putting a tube in the nose.
Did they inject something in it?
I think so. I mean, he went the wrong way. No, it was one of those things, but I know.
They went down the trachea instead, accidentally? Yeah, I see. Usually they do it through the nose. If they go through the mouth, then they need something else. But usually it's an NG tube that they do. So here's the tubing. You can see the tubing here, and you can see this is all partly duodenum, and jejunum's the feathery looking stuff. And then this pipe-like stuff, this is all ileum here. That's it.
For the spot, do we need to know that, like,
About the
how to do it?
They probably wouldn't make you guys do it.
So with that,
Yeah, because I
did it
remember,
with Michael.
Oh, really?
I remember at South, like, one of the techs that just got hired, like, I guess he didn't know how to do it, and one of the, like, the radiologists kind of, like, yelled at one of the senior techs, was like, well, you need to teach him how to do it, why doesn't he know how to do it?
usually the radiologist.
Yeah, so I was like, do we need to know that, like?
The radiologist at our hospital, he just looks at the images, he doesn't do,
He
like,
doesn't come in
he
there at
doesn't
all.
come in there at all. The only time they're in there is for, like, the upper GI and, what's the other one? No,
Esophagram?
yeah.
But
I don't do a spot, they just took a regular, I did the thing with the paddle, but it wasn't just like the spot, it was a picture of the hole.
They just have them lay down, did they do it prone, have them lay down on it and then just take like a king view? Yeah. So is that what you had to do with your person?
Yeah, like, or, like, they were supine though, but we were,
Oh, so you
With the
maybe
panel.
like push down?
Yeah.
A lot of times they'll just have them lay on it, so you don't have to be in there.
oh, really? Mike said that they also used to use like that, what's that little thing that comes out into the,
It's on the machine.
it's like on the machine, and then they bring it down close to them, and then they push it, but they said they don't do that anymore because it's so hard on them,
Yeah.
and it kind of hurts, so that's what we use the bottle.
Jay, South uses a wooden spoon. He's like, I'm gonna use this, so he just goes in there with a wooden spoon. He's hiding it because he has one side.
I think he just graduated from.
Ask him to show you.
Oh, yeah, Big David?
Yeah,
You have to tell him why. You see him?
well, I'm not there anymore,
Oh,
so,
God.
but it was him, I think it was him
Yeah.
that was doing it, and
He didn't know.
I guess he didn't know, and so the radiologist came over and told, the techs there.
Bless you.
Good David, yeah.